You've never seen this dual-screen Asus laptop this cheap, and that's exactly why now is a perfect time to upgrade. Because dual-screen laptops, while still a niche category in 2025, are quietly redefining mobile productivity for creators, coders, and multitaskers alike. And though only a few brands dare to explore this form factor, Asus is leading the charge with the stunning Zenbook Duo, a laptop we absolutely loved during testing, and rated a solid 9 out of 10 for its brilliant balance of power, portability, and screen real estate. And what makes this even more exciting right now is the deal we found on it. Usually priced at $1,700, the Zenbook Duo is now available for just $1,450, the lowest price we've seen so far. And for what it offers, this is one of the most exciting laptop discounts of the year, especially when you consider what you're getting for that money. Not just one, but two 14-inch 3K OLED touchscreens with ultra-vibrant colors, deep blacks, smooth 120 Hz, refresh rates, and enough brightness and contrast to rival even some of the best standalone monitors. And that's what makes it so unique. It looks futuristic and maybe even a little over the top at first glance. But once you use it, it makes complete sense, giving you the kind of multitasking power you'd normally only get with multi-monitor desktop setup. Except now it's packed into a device that's just 0.57 inches thin and weighs only 3.64 pounds, which is mind-blowing considering how much screen and performance it's packing. And speaking of performance, the internals are just as impressive. An Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD make this laptop a serious powerhouse for everything from Adobe Premiere and Photoshop to heavy web multitasking, gaming, or data analysis. And whether you're editing 4K video, live streaming, or running a dozen tabs and apps at once, this machine doesn't flinch. And even though it's ultra thin, it doesn't sacrifice durability either, because it's built to military-grade MILSDD8 10H standards, meaning it can withstand drops, vibrations, humidity, and extreme temps, something you don't usually expect from a premium, ultra-modern machine like this. And what really sweetens the deal is the battery life, which lasts up to 9 hours on a single charge despite powering two high-res OLED screens, which is just incredible for all-day use at work, at school, or on the move. And let's not forget connectivity. The Zenbook Duo includes two Thunderbolt 4 ports, one USB-A, an HDMI output, and a 3.5mm audio jack, plus cutting-edge wireless with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, which means whether you're plugging in accessories or relying on wireless peripherals, this laptop is future-proofed on all fronts. And while it might not be the absolute lightest laptop out there, it's certainly one of the most innovative and versatile for its size and weight. And the fact that you can now get all of this for just $1,450, a rare discount we don't expect to last long, makes this one of the easiest tech recommendations we've made all year, especially for anyone who's even remotely curious about dual-screen workflows, because this is where productivity meets portability in the most seamless and futuristic way possible. And whether you're a content creator, a business pro, a student, or just someone who loves experimenting with new tech, the Zenbook Duo is genuinely exciting to use, because the second screen isn't just for show. It transforms how you work, letting you drag apps, toolbars, and references to the lower display while keeping your main workspace clean, making it feel less like a gimmick and more like a new standard for how laptops should work in 2025. And frankly, it's the kind of laptop that turns heads wherever you go, from coffee shops to client meetings to classrooms. And it's backed by a brand that knows how to push boundaries. So if you've been holding out on trying a dual-screen laptop because of the price or uncertain about usefulness, this is the deal that makes a decision easy. And once you go dual-screen, it's really hard to go back to traditional laptops. So don't wait. This offer might not stick around for long. And if you miss it, you might be back to paying full price again soon. So grab the Asus Zenbook Duo now while the deal is hot. Enjoy the dual screen life, and remember, for more epic tech deals, next-gen reviews, and must-know upgrades, subscribe and stay tuned right here on TechVerse.